You'd make a good bin man.
Fuck off. No, you can't put that in there. It's not recyclable.
Yeah.
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Benjamin and Christopher from Carbon and Car Diaries.
Rough man today.
I'm a bit hungover and the weather is rubbish.
Dog shit.
We've been cleaning cars in the rain.
Great fun, that, wasn't it?
Amazing, pointless. Because we've got a good system. We've got two to go. I can't speak. Just speak for me, will you?
All right, guys. Right, basically, I've already done a little video actually before. Anyway, I've shown
Did you?
it.
Oh, nice. Nice.
So we'll cut that in now. It's the day before we go to Castle Combe for the last event of the season, and me and Ben have decided to clean the cars. I think it might have been a bad idea. All right, Benji, mate. Oh my God, it's a little bit breezy. We are a little bit mental here, Calvin and Car Diaries. And Ben's got a bit of a hangover as well today. Oh, there she is, look, doing her duties. That's nice to see, always. She's actually coming with us tomorrow at the show. First one, darling, you can come with me, innit? Yeah. You excited?
Really?
Obviously not.
Exciting.
It's actually quite nice. I'm actually just...
You realise that we're meeting in Newton Abbott at 5:30 in the morning?
Yeah. Obviously giving this one a nice clean before the new splitter goes on. How we're going to get it on in the rain, I don't quite know yet. Went and picked it up this morning from the spray shop. Currently living on my kitchen side. But my sprayer, Charlie, done a very good job, as he always does. Say hello, Caitlin. Say hello, Myla. Good kids. What? Daddy's videoing for the channel, darling. And whose birthday is it on Sunday?
Mine.
Yeah, and how old are you going to be?
3.
Yeah!
Boom. That's magic.
Basically, we're going to have a go at fitting this now, out in the rain.
Yep. There she is.
There she is, all sprayed up. Going to have a go at fitting this in the rain.
Not ideal.
What else can I say, really? We're mad, obviously.
It's not ideal.
But
We've
it's
got to
something
stick it as well.
It's something that we've been meaning to do for a while, so... I mean, I've got the show tomorrow, obviously.
Let's try it, actually.
So, yeah, I think let's just
So what we're using?
give it a go.
Tiger Seal.
Tiger Seal, because it's... Well, you said it's amazing stuff.
It is
I've never
amazing
used it
stuff.
before.
It's amazing.
So, I need to use some of this tape. Being fresh paint, I think that's a good shout, don't you, Benj?
100%. Don't want to be peeling the paint off your new fucking splitter.
Splitter. All good fun, guys. Gonna enjoy putting it on in the rain.
Where's the Tiger Seal?
The Tiger Seal is here.
There it is.
There it is.
U-Pole. Tiger Seal.
Stuff. I'm gonna use. Cause obviously, me and Ben already done a video of
Oh yeah.
dry fit.
There's 2 holes here. Look. That's the only fixes.
Gonna use some of these. Compliments of Pathfinder.
Bodge to fuck.
It's not bodge to fuck. What are you on about? And some decking clips. Courtesy of Timber
It's either
Venture.
that or we
I'm not bodging it with cable ties, Ben.
we're going to bodge it with decking clips and freaking.
Excuse me, whose idea was
Well,
this?
it was my idea and it did work. But
Thank
I'm
you.
thinking they're a lot. If you ever need to take it off as well, they're very easy to just snip off and then put another one on. Do you know what I mean? Well, we'll try it. See what it's like.
Oh, all right then. You want to cable tie it? Oh god.
Yeah, but it's going to be tiger sealed as well.
Okay.
Cable ties fix everything.
Okay. Well, it's going to work a lot better than these that I bought for it anyway.
We literally can't. You can't
There's
get
nothing to
fixing
fix
on it,
to,
yeah.
guys.
The only
Literally.
place you can fix, if we were going to fix it, is through the face here, and
We
then
don't want to be doing that.
get it filled and then spray
Obviously,
it
these are
after.
the holes that we'd already pre-drilled for it and fitted it.
Yep.
So,
Look at that paint now. Imagine if your whole car looks as good as that.
Funny man. I'm actually running really low on paint as well, guys, which I'm not happy about because that's like expensive shit.
It's very expensive.
But never mind. It's what it is, isn't it? So
we'll dry the lip and make sure it's clean underneath.
yeah.
Put a bead of tiger seal all the way around.
We don't need to jack the car up or anything because I've got quite a steep drive. So
Yeah, we'll do what we did last time.
up on the hill.
Go and lie on the wet pavement. Ideal.
Yeah. Well, we have got some carpet here, though, mate. So that's one thing.
Oh yeah, true. Yeah. True. All right.
So if Ben wants to actually show his face during this video, it'll be.
I don't really want to show my face. I'm hanging. I went on like a reunion thing last night, so I went a little bit fragile.
Cocktails.
So that's enough of me.
Cocktails.
I
Lots of cocktails.
love cocktails. Right then.
Dirty boy.
Let's get out of the rain and get clean in. Yeah, we can use this.
Let's go.
Use that all-purpose auto for this.
Bleach.
That's not bleach. It's this. Look. I'll show you. It's this stuff. Diluted down. Yeah, I'm speaking all
We've got
cocktail.
this as well, Benj, to do in a bit, haven't we?
Yeah, I might do. We'll make that a separate video. I think.
What's that? Do you know what your car associated with mine?
Not really.
Oh, right.
I'll just cut it out.
No, you won't. He lies. He says he's going to cut these things out of his dick, and he
Only
doesn't.
of you.
He doesn't cut anything out.
Right,
I think,
let's get
that's,
this
that's
fucking
fine.
split
He'll
in.
cut it out. I look like a twat. It's fine. But no, he doesn't. He
I'd
leaves
leave
it
him in. People
so
love it. It's funny.
you guys are privileged with that one.
You're funny.
Thanks,
Right.
mate. Right, let's go.
Just clean it first.
Now it's raining again.
Oh, put some new cross in, ain't it? Yeah. Take that. Take that.
All right.
I'll take that.
Do you think I need to put another jacket on again?
Oh, it's a bit cold, bubbles.
Well, who's going to be laying on the floor?
You!
Oh, hang on
We're
a minute.
both going to have to lay on the floor. Oh, there we go. Look. Getting this bin lorry coat out.
Got a few bins to empty, boys. Yeah.
Wash the cars in the rain. That was exciting. Not really a lot you can do. She's looking clean though, and beautiful.
I look like a fucking fishing float.
For fuck's sake. So yeah, we've put it in the position. So we're technically jacked up, but we're not. Come on! Just bring the cleaning stuff first. Them beads, look. Them fucking wheels, look. Oh, that's one of your things. What do you look like?
Moving into the monsoon now.
What are we doing?
Mate, the hardcore here at Carbon Car Diaries.
So stupid. I'd say stupid. Ooh, look at him, look. Rolling out the carpet. That's going to be nice and soggy in about 3 seconds. Oh, right, yeah, put it all over your side. My side don't get any of it. Make sure you do it. Oh, yeah, 'cause it's around the top.
Doesn't smell like bleach.
It's not bleach, it's all-purpose cleaner. What are you doing that for?
Huh? What? Did you or did you not tell me to clean it?
I did, yeah, I did.
Hungry.
So, went past the all day. It was tiny.
I think we should go for KFC.
It was good, though.
Yeah, that's a good idea, isn't it? Should we go for
You
KFC?
could get it delivered, but it costs you about £8,000.
No, we'll go there.
What, painting?
Huh?
Painting?
No, one in town.
Where are we going to park?
In the car park.
Fucking hell. McDonald's is only around the corner.
Yeah, McDonald's is shit.
It is shit, I'll give you that. It is.
Apart from the breakfast. Breakfast is good.
Yeah, definitely. And we are getting up like 5 in the morning, something like that. We're going to meet at Newton Abbot McDonald's at 5:30.
Yeah.
And coincidentally, McDonald's opens at 5.
And how?
It opens at 5 o'clock, McDonald's.
Oh, we'll have a nice and fresh then.
We'll be the first ones there by... Why are you drying up there?
We'll dry the whole lot, right?
Yeah. Yeah. I suppose we're going to have to put the tape on it, haven't we, somehow? Right, it's kind of stopped raining, so here's our window. We've got a 5-second window. Just try and not get tiger seal all over your bumper. You'd make a good bin, man.
Fuck off. No, you can't put that in there. It's not recyclable.
Not taking that.
No, I'm not taking that.
Piss off, mate. Take my rubbish.
What we pay our taxes for.
Yeah. True story.
Do it now.
Right, tiger seal and splitter time.
And cable tie time.
Oh, God.
According to you, anyway.
Look at her, look. Looks, that's when she's clean. We've got covered in rain.
The trouble is, with cable ties, I don't reckon it's going to pull it up enough, mate.
Yeah, well. They are
Oh, look at that in the daylight.
They are adjustable.
Funny man, aren't you?
Well, you can tighten them up more and more and more.
Oh, tape.
Oh, you fucking plonker.
Oh, look at this.
I can't believe.
Oh, there's a track.
I can't believe we're doing this in the rain. I'll go get the tape. How to get it everywhere. Oh, so what does he do? Get it everywhere. That's going to splurge out all over your bonnet.
No, it's not.
Just get that off before it dries. There you go. Look at that there. Steady hand, Winston. Oh, gentle. That's how you treat your ladies.
Get it once here, mate.
Oh, God. Right, I'll descend. And I'll hold that hand. Got it?
Yeah.
Oh my God. Stop making that noise.
Mate, it's not the easiest thing in the world to do, you know that, don't you?
That's thin bead. No.
Oh, my
What
God.
the fuck are you doing? Cool.
Oh. Oh, my God. Fuck off.
Oh, this side went so well. What's that side? Get it up there, buddy. Alright.
Brilliant, Ben.
It's on. Pack sealed on. Gaff taped on. All the way around. No, I'm just going to leave it. Overnight.
For professional use only.
That's why we've got it by. Look at that.
Yeah, glad I had that. Might just have to leave it like that. The gaffer look.
So yeah, so what you'll have to do in the morning is video yourself taking the tape off.
That was a ball ache.
And then we'll just see if it dries. If it dries, happy days. If it doesn't, then we're going to wait and we do it on a dry day, but we'll see. It might be. It's well good stuff.
Have we got enough of it on there?
You shouldn't need loads.
No.
Less is more, isn't it? So yeah, Chris will check back in the morning and unveil.
And there we have it, peeps. That was me and Ben fitting the splitter on the Primera GT. Come out pretty good. Quite pleased with it in the end. A couple little bits could have done with a bit more attention on, but it was a bit of a rush job. But I need to sort that out or something. I'm sure we'll do when we get a bit of better weather. But all in all, Pleased with it. Great spray job. And yeah, it was good. All good for the show. So, thanks a lot for watching, guys. Like, comment, subscribe, all the usual. And catch you later. Peace out.